so I wanted to come real quick and show you the perfect nude. I honestly think this nude is like the perfect nude. It's a universal nude that I feel brown skin girls can wear. I feel light skin girls, the Caucasian babies, the Latina babies, like I believe dark skinned girls, like everybody I feel can wear this lip color. And what it is it's actually a lip pencil, and I'm going to show you real quick. I'll come right back and I'll show you. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on camera, and it's light. It comes off as real light probably on the camera, but the last video I did, if you guys caught that video, if you did, make sure that you check it out. The last video I did, that was the nude mauve looking color that I put on my lips, and it was just like, to me, the perfect color that anybody can wear, to be honest. Like, I call this the universal nude because I really honestly feel it is. And yeah, that's it. Now I don't know, like I said, if the camera's picking it up, but this color, honey, universal color. The light skinned girls could wear this. The dark skinned girls, I think, can really pull this off. Latina girls, Asians, like, it's just perfect. And if you're a fan of nude lips, this is it. I mean, it's a lip liner, but to be honest, back in the day, that's how our mamas did it when they wore lipstick anyway. They put the lip liner on, then put the lipstick on. That's how we do it today. But instead, I just decided to just color my whole lip in, and it's a matte lip. And it stays on all day. When I tell you all day, all day. Now if you're a lip gloss girl, you can always pair it with Praline by NYX. And this is also by NYX. The lip pencil is called Ever, E-V-E-R, Ever. And then you can pair it with Praline, which is like perfect to go on top of that. See? Perfect. And I feel like any skin tone can wear this. Like, I promise you, ladies will look good with this. I will not steer you wrong. And if you disagree, it's fine. That's all right. But try it out before you disagree. Both of them are by NYX. The lip pencil is called Ever, and the lip gloss is called Praline. These are beautiful together. Beautiful. Like, you don't even have to do nothing. You just leave the house. Or if you're, like I said, a matte girl, you can keep the matte look. So what you think? Will you be trying this? If you will, comment down below and let me know that you're gonna pick it up. And make sure when you do try it out, tag me on Instagram at @thefashionista_Barbie so I can see how you ladies look in it, because I'm curious to see what you guys think, how you feel, because on camera it's coming off as like reddish, and I promise you it's not that. It's more of like a brownish pinky color. So just let me know. But like I said, check out my video before this, the Shein video, the Beyonce outfit, inspired outfit video. I had on the same lip in that video. So yeah, real dope. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see my post as well. Follow me at @thefashionista_Barbie, and you can see my post of my outfit, my Beyonce inspired outfit, and I have on this same lip in those pictures. I'm telling you, don't sleep on these two colors. Don't sleep. And if you're just a lip gloss girl, you can just do the Praline. But I love this lip. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So yeah, that was it. You know me, I get to the point. I try to anyway. I will link them down below. I mean, you can go on Ulta, Amazon, Target, anywhere to get this, but I'll link it down below, a few options where you can go and get this from. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure that you also share this video so other girls can know what a universal nude color is. Make sure that you subscribe and make sure you push the notification button so you'll know when I'm uploading another video, because I'm trying to keep it consistent, you know. So yeah, make sure you share so your girl can get out there. I'm trying to, you know, at least get to 1,000 so that, you know, the algorithm can really push me up so you guys can see me more, you know what I mean? But that's it, ladies. I appreciate you and all your support. Thank you for the love that I got on the last video. I have more to come, so stay tuned, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.